Hi, this is a reverse 5-coil zip with a 5 Vislon slider on it, and you'll see how the teeth do not look happy. They're all poking out. This is what it should look like that. Hi, I'm Shane from Shane Bar Shoe Repairs. We're just having a quick chat about zips. Here's a zip in reverse style. Here it is up the right way with a normal standard up the right way zip slider, and here we have reverse of a zip with a reverse slider on it. You see, I'll put them both together so you can see them. It's the same coil but just different sliders. One's a standard slider, one's a reverse slider. These are reverse sliders. This one's a sleeping bag slider, so you can slide that around the end and have it with a tag from either side. These are reverse 5-coil locking sliders, so they got a locking mechanism in them, stop them sliding down. These are 8-coil sliders. This is a standard up the right way one, and this is the reverse one. The reverse one's slightly bigger, which is interesting, as in the body of it. So, find a pen. See the slot here is up the top? That's for the reverse slider. So the teeth will be down the bottom. Normal zip, teeth up the top. So those are non-locking. There's more for a bag, so that you can pull the bag open and it won't lock. It won't be suitable on a boot or something because it'll jiggle down. Those are reverse sliders. Over here we've got our Vislon sliders. These are old school, size 5 Vislon. You can tell that because they're curved around the top here. Don't get these ones anymore, apart from sort of second hand. This is the modern size 5 Vislon. You can see from the pointy tops on there. This is size 10 Vislon sliders. Hardly ever use them. They're just big and chunky. Good to have them in case someone's got a bust one. You can tell on the back, Vislon, YKK, 10V. You know what's going on. Here's our little drawer, just to avoid confusion. These are our reverse and Vislon sliders drawer. These are the reverse ones in the front, and these are our Vislon ones in the back here. Hope that helps. If you've got any questions about shoe repairs, go to shanes.co.nz.